Uh-oh. I guess I gotta... Got our next ride of the day. We got Storm Chaser at Kentucky Kingdom. Now I remember this ride being absolutely relentless. Like, it was crazy. I don't know what they did, but they made the trains faster.
Clear. You guys are all clear and out of here. Enjoy your ride on Storm Chaser.
Looks at it. For a 10-year-old OMC, we're gonna have to see how it holds up. Very excited. What was that? What is this? Whoa! Wow! That absolutely smoked Lightning Run! Oh my god!
Welcome back, riders. How was that ride?
Yeah!
I already know you. I thought I recognized you. I didn't want to